Alright, so the snow is finally gone for 2 months until winter comes back again. But here's the finished up kiln actually outside with the PID controller on. Unfortunately, it's already scratched up. So the same time I built that 3D printer bed with the embedded magnets, we built a cart for the kiln. That way it can be moved all in one piece. It also means that it can, be moved when it's like actually hot. Because if it starts raining or something like it did earlier today, but the kiln is on, then moving it when it's at like 700 degrees, kind of an issue. So yeah, I've got my S-type thermocouple mount in there, which lets me adjust it in and out to a depth that I find suitable, if I need to put it in deeper than it is for some reason. I picked up actually custom ordered some quartz glass windows, that way I can hopefully get some footage of the inside of it, but I need to get the mounts for those machined up still. Boy, those really do not fit well, but that should hopefully help. So I'm going to calibrate this. I'm going to run the PID tune at about 300C. That was suggested by Novus, the company that actually manufactured it. And then I don't have the hinge on, but you can see on the inside the thermocouple just peeking out there. So I've got the power cord actually going in through the window, and I have my stove disconnected. So we should basically have to just pop open this cover, plug it in, and in theory it will start tuning itself to 300 degrees. So we have both power elements, like both phases, hooked up. Okay, so it's not running right now. I do have it set to PID tune. Auto tune run, yes. Okay, so that's the out of temperature spec alarm. I need to fix that. But you can see both of our lights turned on. So yeah, both our lights are on, the elements are getting power. This is set to notify like when the temperature is too low or too high. Oh, why is it going to 50? Okay, I'm gonna pull the PID controller out, get rid of the ramp and soak program on there, and try it again. Alright, this should hopefully work now. So go ahead and plug it in. Okay, I'm going to, I guess, just manually wait for this to go up to 300. I don't know why it's not working in the software, but I haven't used it much. Alright, so I can already smell heat. So that should hopefully be auto-tuning at 300 degrees. And you can see that we're drawing 34 amps, 4,000 watts. So yeah, I've got that meter on there to keep track of how much power it's using. And then yeah, we've got both elements set to high. All of those lights are working properly. That bottom one's a little dim. I think I have a replacement somewhere. So I don't know, I'm doing the precise auto-tuning, not the quick one. so I don't know how many cycles that's going to be, or how long it's going to take, or how much it's going to overshoot, but I guess we'll see. But it's all working properly, so yeah. Guess I just let this run for a couple hours or something, and I don't know, see how much that costs. Alright, so it seems like the kiln was warming up at about half a degree a second. And the auto-tune process is well underway, as you can see those lights blinking. Definitely some burning smell going on. And so I've got the thermocouple for this readout is actually stuck on the back of this box right next to the solid state relay, that way we can monitor that temperature, because this box is acting as a heat sink. It does also have like a little bit of a path to the inside though, which I was a bit worried about, but it's really only at 46 degrees, which is like warm. It's definitely quite warm at the back. I'm not sure how much of that like is the solid state relay. Like I might need to add more cooling on that. But yeah, it seems like it was going up at about half a degree a second. I think I already said that. So not horribly slow, and it looks like it's, I mean, like this is the precise auto-tune, but it's like pretty bang on in there already. So I think this thing's going to be nice and stable. And then yeah, you can see those blinking away as it's applying power, and we can even pop it open and see that solid state relay on the inside doing the same thing. So yeah, looks like this is going to be pretty successful. So at this point, video is probably done. It looks like it's pretty much working perfectly. And still has to test higher temperatures, but I just need to really at this point make some molds and do an actual firing like a burnout. So yeah, hopefully next video won't take too long.